In this video, I am going to show you 5 reasons why blogging is still crucial for your business. People have been blogging for decades now, and text-based content has for a long time run the internet. As video content is becoming more important, it is crucial not to forget how valuable it is to have a blog on your website. That is why I have put together this simple list of 5 reasons why blogging is still crucial for your business. So let's get straight into it. Number 1, increased website traffic. When you have a blog which you regularly publish articles to, you can use it to drive traffic to all parts of your website. Blog posts are a great way to find a new traffic source for your website. This can be through social media, search engine traffic, or even word of mouth. Publishing regular high-quality articles to your blog will increase your traffic and keep current visitors coming back. You can maximize on this traffic by creating inbound links from your blog posts to your products or other website pages, but remember to only do this if it is relevant to the article that you are writing. Number 2, brand recognition and authority. If you are writing high-quality articles that are giving readers useful information, over time your brand will be seen as an industry leader. By doing this, you are showing that you have knowledge in your area, and that will form into a trust with your readers. Becoming a trusted brand within your industry will allow you to stamp your authority on the market so that customers and website visitors keep returning. If you are a service provider and you frequently publish well-researched articles that cover topics within your niche, you will be the place to go within that particular industry. You will be building trust and providing quality, which will keep customers coming back. Number 3, improved customer relationships. High-quality blogs provide website visitors with the information they are looking for. When you are providing someone with valuable information, you are gaining their trust and respect. Over time, a visitor will come back to your blog as a source of trusted information. To a business, having a relationship like this with a potential customer is gold. Just by providing someone with information, you are saving them time, money, and displaying that you have knowledge in the subject. Trust equals sales. A visitor is more likely to turn into a customer if they can trust you. Number 4, search engine optimization improvement. Blogs improve SEO. There are no doubts about that. If you are publishing fresh content on a regular basis, it is an unbeatable way to outrank your competitors on search engine results pages. All search engines love content that is both fresh and relevant, so blogging is one of the simplest ways that a business can improve their SEO. Posting consistently, whether it's daily, twice weekly, or weekly, will consistently provide search engines with high-quality content to index. It is important that you only write articles that are relevant to your website by using the right keywords. That way you will give your website the opportunity to rank in search engines for the same keywords that your potential customers are using, giving them a higher chance to find your site. And finally, number 5, you can repurpose all of your blog content. Don't forget that you own all of the content that you write for your blog, so you can reuse it in any way you like to maximize its usage. You can turn your blog posts into videos and publish them on other platforms like YouTube and Facebook. This will grow your social presence and also send people to your website. Depending on the type of articles that you write for your blog, you could turn them into online courses that you could sell or give away as a lead magnet. Or you can turn them into informational Instagram posts to help grow your Instagram page, which will in turn grow your brand presence in your field. So there are many ways to repurpose your blog content, and it's a great way to maximize its potential. So to conclude, blogging is not over. Evidently, blogging is still incredibly crucial when you want to grow your brand online. It will help you to gain trust, authority, and keep customers returning. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.